Hello, fourth graders. Today, we are going to explore what it means to respect similarities and differences between people. So, our objectives is that people can have similar or different feelings about the same situation. And at the end of this week, you're going to be able to notice and then understand others' feelings, because this is an important part of empathy. Now, today we're going to take a minute and really look at the faces of these two students. They are both waiting to do the same thing. The girl's name is Gabriela. What do you think Gabriela is feeling? Yeah, you might have said excited, happy, and interested. Now, how can you tell? That's the evidence. Yeah, she's smiling, right? With her mouth open, her eyes are open as well, and her forehead is unwrinkled. What do you think Joshi is feeling? Yeah, kind of scared, maybe fearful or frightened. How can you tell? Well, my evidence would be that his eyebrows are raised high. His mouth is not smiling. His eyes are wide as well. Think for a moment and try to guess what Gabriela and Joshi are waiting for that makes them feel such different feelings. Would your answer or your reaction would be the same as Joshi's? Or would it be the same as Gabriela's? This is an example of how two people can have different feelings about the same thing. You need to be able to recognize how others are feeling, even if it's different from how you feel, to have empathy. Do we remember what empathy means? It means feeling or understanding what someone else is feeling. Having empathy helps us act respectfully and in a caring way towards others. Today you are going to be talking about noticing and understanding others' feelings. You just noticed how Gabriela and Joshi have different feelings about the same thing. It's also possible for two very different people to have similar feelings about the same things. As you watch this next video, look for differences and similarities between the two students.
I'm starting school tomorrow. I'm going to be in Mr. Ains' class, but all of my friends will be in Miss Tracy's.
I'm starting 4th grade at a new school tomorrow.
I'm going to have to make new friends.
I'm going to have to make new friends.
I'm feeling pretty nervous. I'm kind of shy.
I'm feeling pretty excited. I like making new friends.
I hope I find some new friends who like some of the same things I do.
I hope I'll find some friends who are like me.
Well, Enrique and Maya are facing the same situation. Both of them have similar feelings, and they also have feelings that are different. So you're going to go back to your presentation, and you are going to fill in this double bubble chart where Enrique is here. The things that you find that are similar to what Maya is feeling, you're going to put them in the blue circles and or ovals, and the ones that are different, you're going to place them on the pink part. Same with Maya. The feelings that are different for her are going to be on this side. So pause over here, and when you're done, you can continue the video. Well, here are some of the differences that I found. Enrique, well, he was a boy. He likes to play music. He's outgoing. I didn't write other things down, but I recall that he also did something with his hands, like he liked tinkering with his hands, make like crochet, like hand crochet or something like that. Maya, on the other hand, she's a girl. She likes sports. She's shy, so therefore she was not very comfortable with making new friends. And I remember also that she had other interests like soccer. Muy bien. Maybe you wrote something that were different from here. Now, the similarities. Both of them were starting 4th grade. They were starting school. Both of them wanted to make new friends. Enrique was just starting in this new school, and Maya had been in the school, but her classmates were not in the same class as she was. They both liked to read. Did you figure out another similarity that they had? You can see that even though Enrique and Maya are different in a lot of ways, they still have some similarities. Sometimes we decide we are different from other people only by how they look. Here you learned more about Maya and Enrique than just how they look. You found out what they like to do and how they feel. Knowing those things helped you find in many ways they are similar. It helped you get to know them. Now think about how you can find out more about other people. Things you can't tell just by how they look. We're going to stop here and you're going to reflect about this question. Also, how does it make you feel to know people have the same feelings as you? Please answer those 2 questions on the lower part of your slide of social emotional learning for today. Well, when we take time to get to know each other, we often find that we have similar feelings about things, just like Maya and Enrique do. Talking about things with other people that are either your best friends or just your friends from your classroom or new students, it will help them feel welcome and for you to feel empathy for their own situation. When you find out that another people has the same feelings that you have, you feel good, like they understand you, like they know where you're coming from. This is the beginning of empathy, when you feel understand and when somebody else makes the effort to understand you. Tomorrow we're going to have different assignments as well, and this week you're going to be working again with adults in your family. Thank you and good luck today. Bye.